Welcome dear students in Pharmaceutics First practical session. Myself Mrs. Darshana Sandeep Shinde. Today we deal with the experiment number 22. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare, evaluate and submit 10 ml of licorice liquid extract. Learning outcomes of our today's session are students are able to develop the intellectual skills such as to understand the concept of extract, to understand the process of maceration, to understand the different procedure used in the preparation of the extract. Then some motor skill like skill for calculating the menstruum for triple maceration process, skill for carrying out the maceration process, skill for extracting the liquid extract and pressing the mark to recover the last trace of extract. Then some new concepts like proposition first, licorice liquid extract is a liquid extract prepared by the maceration. Proposition 2, extracts are normally stored in an umber color glass bottle in a introduction to extract. Extracts are concentrated preparation of the vegetable or animal drugs obtained by removal of active constituents of the respective drugs with a suitable menstruum, evaporation of all or nearly all of the solvent, adjustment of the residual mass or powders to prescribed standards. Extracts are obtained from the vegetable as well as animal source, and these are contain the active constituents. Extracts are the potent preparation, usually between 2 and 6 times as a potent on a weight basis of the crude drugs. In short, extracts are the concentrated solution of that preparation. They contain primarily the active constituents of the crude drugs with a great potency of the inactive constituents. The structural component of the crude drug having been removed. Then their function is to provide in a small amount, in a convenient, stable physical form the medicinal activity and the character of the bulkier plant than they represent. We see the classification of the extracts. Extracts are divided into three parts. First is the semi-liquid extracts. They are the syrup or they are the syrupy consistency prepared without the intent of removing all or most of the menstruum. Then pilure or the solid extracts. They are of a plastic consistency prepared with the nearly all menstruum removed. And third is the powder extract prepared to be dry by the removal of all the menstruum. This is the three classes or three types of the extracts which is depend on the how much of the menstruum they contain. Semi-liquid has the syrupy consistency. Pilure or the solid extracts, they are nearly all the menstruum can be removed from it, nearly not 100% but nearly all menstruum is removed. In a powder extract there is a removal of all the menstruum to form the powder. Then normally a closed vessel is used for the maceration process, and the different type of the percolators are used for the extraction process. These percolator of the three types: conical percolator, cylindrical percolator, steam jacketed percolators. For industrial scale, there are two main methods employed: term maceration and percolation, both being operated on the batch processes. The choice of the method depends on the physical characteristics of the raw material and the economic consideration, and as designed in the monograph of the official preparation. Then we see the maceration. The general process on a small scale consists of a placing of placing the solid material to be extracted in the closed vessel with the whole of the menstruum or extract solvent, and allowing them to stand for 7 days, shaking occasionally. The liquid is taken off and the mark or the solid residue is pressed to remove as much solvent as possible. The liquid obtained from are mixed and clarified by the filtration. Then we see the percolation. In this process, the raw material is packed into the column. This is the column, and the solvent is allowed to percolate throughout it. Although some material may be packed into the percolator in the dry state. Example, ginger. Most drug required preliminary moisturizing. The solid material is mixed with the sufficient solvent and the moist mass is allowed to stand for the 4 hours in a well-closed vessel. After preliminary moisturizing, subsequent packing into the percolator is also assigned since the solvent displaces occluded air and enable the material to be more evenly distributed. If the material is not packed evenly, percolating solvent will run mainly through the largest canals, resulting in the insufficient extraction. That's why material should be packed properly. Then after packing the column, sufficient menstruum is passed over to saturate it. When the liquid being to drip from the bottom of the percolator, the tap its base is closed. Enough of the menstruum is then added to maintain the layer above the drug. Closed column is then allowed to stand for the 4 hours. After this preliminary maceration, the outlet is opened sufficiently to produce a controlled slow rate of the percolation. The volume of the percolates to be calculated for the given weight of the raw material depend on the nature of the final product. Storage. The extracts are stored in a light resistance, well-closed container to protect the assesses or to assess the moisture. Then we see the apparatus required for today's experiment. Electronic digital weighing balance, measuring cylinder, well stoppered wide mouth bottle, filter paper, cloth piece for the pressing the mark, tincture press for pressing the extract. Today we will prepare only the 10 ml. That's why we do not need this tincture press. Tincture press is required for the 100 gram or more than that, or 50 gram. But for the pressing purpose, we here use the cloth paper. Then we move toward the formulation table. Formulation table should contain the ingredient, quantity given, quantity taken and use of the ingredient. Our quantity given for the 1000 and our quantity taken is only 10 gram. So for that we calculate the factor. Factor is 0.1. So we calculate the licorice unpeeled coarse powder's quantity for the 10 ml. For 1000 it's a 1000 gram. For the 10 ml it's a 10 gram. Chloroform, water and alcohol 90%, they are both are used as the quantity sufficient matter to moisten, and the chloroform and alcohol is used as a to moisten and as a menstruum of our extract. Licorice is used as a demulcent aromatic. Chloroform is used as a pharmaceutical aid, and alcohol is used as a solvent or the vehicle. Then we go through the stepwise procedure. Licorice consists of a dried, peeled or unpeeled root and stolon of the Glycyrrhizia glabra family, Leguminosae, and other species of the Glycyrrhizia, yielding a drug having a sweet taste and almost free from the bitter taste. First of all, drug is macerated thrice by using the menstruum, which is divided into 3 parts in such a manner that the same volume is used for the each menstruum. Here we take almost 60 to 70 ml of the menstruum and we divided into 3 parts, and we carried out thrice maceration or maceration thrice or triple maceration we see in the actual practical session. For that purpose we calculate the 1 gram of the drug's volume, retain which amount of the volume or which volume is required for that 1 gram of the drug. Then calculate the volume of the menstruum required first, second and third maceration. Then whole drug is macerated for 1 hour with the part of the menstruum required for the first maceration and the stain. Then macerate again 1 hour with the part of the menstruum required for the second maceration and stain. Then macerate again 1 hour with the part of menstruum required for the third maceration and stain. Then press the mark lightly. Combine the liquids obtained from the first, second and third maceration. Set aside for 12 hours and decant the clear liquid and filter the remainder. Evaporate until the weight per ml of the liquid is 1.198 gram per ml. Then add to this liquid 1/4 of its volume, 90% alcohol is added into that. Then allow to stand for not less than 4 weeks and then filter. Total procedure is carried almost 5 weeks. Category of its demulcent. Dose is 2 to 4 ml needed. Then we go through then we see the volume of required for the first menstruum, how it is calculated, and volume of used in the second and third maceration, how it is calculated. The formula is total volume of menstruum minus volume to be retained by the drug upon 3 plus volume to be retained by one drug. Then this is the calculated volume of menstruum required for first maceration. Then second and third macerations volume can be calculated by total amount of the menstruum minus volume used in the first maceration upon 2. In this way we calculate the macerations volume. Then we move toward the laboratory for actual practical session.
Welcome students in Pharmaceuticals First Laboratory. Today we deal with the experiment number 22, that is to prepare evaporated substance licorice liquid extract. Today we deal with the liquid extract. Let's see the apparatus and chemicals required for today's preparation. Today we have prepared only the 10 ml of extract. For that purpose we require a licorice powder. We require a 10 gram of licorice powder. Then this is the menstruum, that is a 90% alcohol, and this is a chloroform water to imbibe our drug. Then this is the wide mouth bottle in which we carried out our maceration process, and this is the tincture press, and this is the cloth paper. Today we prepare the licorice liquid extract by the triple maceration process. For that purpose we divide our menstruum into 3 equal parts. First of all, we take a wide mouth bottle. In that we measure already a 10 gram of licorice powder, pour into it. And we add our volume. We divide it into 3 equal parts. This is the triple maceration process. For that purpose we add first of all, this is the 90% alcohol, we add it, and we add chloroform. Its quantity is not defined, it is the quantity sufficient. Mix thoroughly. And keep aside for almost 1 hour. Then 1 hour we will filter it. Almost 1 hour is we taken macerate the drug and we filter it. We press the mark, not much, and then we place this drug, extracted drug, into the wide mouth bottle. Place that extract into the wide mouth bottle. For the second maceration, we add the chloroform water, and this is alcohol into the preparation. Mix it well. And again, this is the first we get the extraction we brought after the first maceration, kept aside here, and kept aside this second maceration product, and we will extract it after 1 hour. We will start the second maceration process. This is our first macerated menstruum. We will collect it aside. Then after 1 hour, we filtered it. We press the mark. And we transfer this powder extract into the third bottle for the triple maceration. We transfer this powder extract mark into the wide mouth bottle for the third maceration. Then we again add the chloroform, remaining quantity of chloroform, and alcohol. Mix it well and keep aside for 1 hour. Then we do the filtration. We will keep it here and then add all that. Again, we will do the filtration for triple maceration. After 1 hour, we can filter this solution. Here, triple maceration process extraction process will start here. Then we press the mark for collecting the menstruum. We will press it. This is our maceration. We get a liquid after extract after the first maceration. This is the second maceration, and this is the extract of second maceration. Then we will add all the extract. And we kept aside this extract for 12 hours. After 12 hours, we will heat it and evaporate it. Let filtration is completed out. See? And we transfer and we start to evaporate our filtrate. Take it into a petri dish and we kept it for the evaporation. We evaporate our filtrate until we get weight up to the 1.98 gram per ml. We evaporate until that. can set this liquid. Before 12 hours we can add this is the triple maceration product. We can macerate it in thrice a time and we get 3 liquids and we add together. Then this is our liquid. After the 12 hours we can move to the next stepwise procedure, that is set. After setting we can decant the upper clear liquid. And remaining one will filter. Let us see, our extract will be formed now. It is almost 1 ml, equal to 1 ml. We will measure that till we stop the heating. Ready. Then in this extract we add almost 1/4 of liquid into it. We mix it. All the extract and keep aside for the 4 week for the settlement, and after that we will filter it. We will set this our filtrate for almost 4 weeks. After almost 4 weeks, we kept aside this extraction solution. Here, see, our extraction is properly settled down. We add excess of amount of alcohol into it. Then now we filter it. Filter the extract. Then our filtration is completed out. This is our licorice extract which is ready. We got after almost 5 weeks almost we required for that. Its category is demulcent and its description, it is a brown viscous liquid. It is a taste is sweet. Weight per ml 1.25, 30 milligram here we recorded, and solid content more than 40%. Then for the observation and evaluation table, we move to the next session.
After goes through the stepwise procedure into the laboratory, then we move toward the observation and evaluation table. Observation and evaluation table contain name of preparation, that is liquid extract of licorice. Then the taste description, its color is brown color and viscous liquid, we confirm that taste. Taste is sweet in taste, licorice is sweet in taste, we confirm that taste. Weight per ml is it is in between 1.125 to 1.40 gram per ml, we confirm that taste. And its total solid content is 40 to 45%, W by V, we also confirm that taste. Then we move toward the labeling of the formulation. Labeling of the formulation should contain the name of our formulation at the top of the label. Then we mention the quantity, volume at the right hand side. Then we mention the each 1 ml or each 10 ml. Here we mention the each 10 ml content. Licorice unpeeled 10 gram coarse powder. and chloroform water and alcohol, quantity is sufficient. Then category is demulcent, dose is 2 to 4 ml. Storage conditions, it should be stored in a cool and the dark place in a tightly closed container. Then we mentioned some manufacturing details such as manufacturing license number, manufacturing batch number, manufacturing date, expiry date, and price of our preparation. At the bottom, we should mention the name and address of the manufacturer. Then we move toward the result. Result should be written as 10 ml of liquid extract of licorice is submitted in a well closed container protected from the light with the neat label. Then we move toward the question answer session. First question is, what is the difference in maceration process of organized and unorganized drug? Organized drug and unorganized difference in the maceration is, in organized drug, stain off the liquid and press the mark. In unorganized drug, we decant the liquid, mark is not pressed. In organized drug, drug along with the whole menstruum is used in the maceration process. In unorganized drug, drug along with the 4/5 volume of menstruum is used in the maceration process. Then, in organized drug, the period of maceration is almost 7. In unorganized drug, period of maceration is between 2 to 7 days. Then, in organized drug, filtrate is not adjusted to the volume. In unorganized drug, filtrate is adjusted to make up the final volume. Then, example of organized drugs is tincture is tincture of orange, tincture of lemon, tincture of capsicum. Then unorganized drugs example is tincture of tolu, tincture of myrrh, tincture of benzoin. Then the next question is, what does the term expectorant and demulcent mean? Expectorant means medicine which promote the excretion of the sputum by the air passage used to treat the cough. Demulcent of usually the mucilaginous or oily substances capable of smoothing or protecting an abraded mucous membrane. Then the next question is, explain the test for the total solid content and define the extracts. Extracts, these are the preparations containing active ingredient of a substance in a concentrated form. For the total solid content, we already discussed in the theory of the tincture how it is calculated. Take a 2 gram of the drug, heat it or evaporate it and then dry it and weight that solid extract or weight that solid content for total solid content test. Then the next question is, why is imbibing stage necessary for the before percolation? To allow the swelling of the tissue of the drug before packing into the percolator. If the drug pack into the dry state, it will cause the blocking of the percolator, so that moisturizing of the drug is required. For that purpose, imbibing stage is necessary before the percolation. Then the next question is, give the name of the different percolator used. These are the conical percolators, cylindrical percolators, steam jacketed percolators. Then the next question is, give the official preparation of the liquid extract with their marketed name. Official preparations of liquid extract, licorice are the licorice extract, licorice powder is also available. Marketed preparations are Gala herbs, Dev licorice roots, Glabridine, licorice powder is also available in the market. Thank you very much for attending my practical session.